Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. A diesel Audi A3 in the house for a light tickle. It's not very modified. It's got an air filter and a intercooler, but other than that, it's stock. So still got its DPF, still got its EGR, those sorts of things. It's our mandate to put it on dyno, which is strapped down, run it in its standard form, and then start tuning. And we're going to use a piece of technology called a LCV with some windows, and we're going to see if we can up the power of this little diesel. So here we go. Okay, so quick one. Ran the car on the dyno, and whilst it has got an induction kit and an intercooler, it made 140 brake, which we're good with. That's healthy car, seems to be good. So using the software now, we're going to upload what we're going to class as sort of a light tickle to it, and see how it responds and get some more dyno runs done and see where we're at. But here we go, Audi A3 being tuned at Dynodaze. Who'd have thought it? Diesels. Well, say it with me, lads. Red line as she came in, blue line as she leaves, and yeah, she's done well. She's done as expected. Healthy car, made some power. Went from 140 to 190, from 228 foot-pound to 297 foot-pound. That's a result. Another one in the bag. If you've got yourself a little diesel and you want it tuning, give us a shout. It's fairly straightforward. And we enjoy doing them because obviously we like to see all sorts of different cars. So if you have got a diesel and you do want it tuning, give us a shout. You can contact us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or go old school and pick up the phone. There's actually a nice little calculator tool that's on the Dynodaze homepage. So if you go to dynodazeperformanceparts.co.uk, you can put in all your details of your car. It's a little calculator. It'll tell you what you get stage one. It's a guideline, but it's there and it's quite useful, so go check that out, and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Indeed.
We will indeed. Lovely little Audi A3.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit dynodazeperformanceparts.com and transform your drive today.